So if you're a woman who uses Insta, you would have heard this name. It's impossible to miss this. They are on Instagram, they are everywhere. House of Radvi. Two three saris I had seen, but I felt that they were overpriced. 1 month back, sale nadita ittu. Maybe year end sale, I don't know. And I saw these beautiful paithani border patola saris. I have been going crazy over saris. I have even made a list of the materials and designs of saris that is available. Sorry, I have a chocolate in my mouth. And I have been buying one by one, which is not already present in my wardrobe. My sari collection was filled with kanjivarams. I think we South Indians are obsessed with kanjivarams. May it be marriage, temple visit, any kind of auspicious function, we go for kanjivaram. I realized that I did not own a single Mysore silk sari, so I have bought um, Mysore silk saris along with pure CST zari, and just plain Mysore silk saris, like not the pure jari. I'm yet to own one from KSIC directly. I don't own any. So I bought three saris when the sale was going on in House of Radvi. I have, since it was like many months back, I have forgotten how much they cost. I have a feeling that all three saris were within 10 to 15,000. Um, I think their original price was like 10,000, and on offer I was getting it for 7,000 each or something like that. I'm not sure. But they are all very beautiful. The colors, these colors were not there in my wardrobe, and even the designs were not in my wardrobe. Look at this. Look at this beautiful. This is Pythony border patola sari. So it's so pure, like you can see the backside of it. Wow. It comes with the tassels. There's the pallu, and this is how the sari looks. Wow. For a person who loves prints and colors, this is like such a great pick. The pallu. Uh, what does the blouse piece look like? Oh, wow. Look at the blouse piece. The back and front has already come with a prints, and the sleeves are gonna be plain. But the sleeves will also have borders. This is an amazing sari, man. Like, I got it at a really good deal. Wow. And it feels like it's gonna stand well as well. Before buying a sari, even I was an elbowed few years back. Now I'm a pro. I hold the pleats and check how they stand in place. It's very, very important, because if you're wearing a kanjivaram, you need extra two hands for the pleats, for everything. But Mysore silk is not like that. Mysore silk is like you can wear it so effortlessly. Wow, the pleats do stand really well. Amazing, yeah, amazing. Like without any ironing, just okay. I'm talking too much. 3 minutes ago, I'll show you the other two saris as well. Ah, no, 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 no. The threads, the threads, the threads. I did not own a sari which was. I did not own a sari that was light pink in color. This is also Pythony border, but this is probably Tussar silk. I'm not sure. I love the color combination. There was a Pythony, just pure Pythony sari that was priced at 20,000. I did not have Patola sari. I did not have a Pythony sari. I thought Patola sari with Pythony border, like both two in one. And I did not like the full Pythony sari. What you're seeing in the border, that is like the whole body of the sari, and I feel that would be a little too much. So I love the color combination. This is what the pallu looks like. This also I got it in offer rate. Since the sari has mostly pink, this is gonna be the blouse piece in lavender. So yeah, I love the color combo. There's one more. This is so beautiful. Firstly, dark colors look really good on me. I did not own a sari in my wardrobe which was this red. What do you call it? Maroon? No, wine. Yeah, wine colored sari I did not own. And look at those colors, yeah. The parrots, the flowers. Once again, Paithani border. This is my most favorite. And this is the blouse piece. Absolutely, when so much is happening in the sari, you have to go plain with the blouse. But I love this sari, man. Shit. Amazing. I'll show you the pallu. Very rich pallu. Oh, so look at these colors. Look at these. Wow. This is so good. I love this. So these were the three saris that I bought from House of Radvi when the sale was going on, and I got them at a really good price. Without the sale, would I buy from that site? I don't think so. So that's all for today. Bye bye. See you all in the next vlog. Until then, love you all.